Leusambolare and season's greetings to all my fellow Fijians. We have reached the Christmas season where Christians the world over and in Fiji commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ in Bethlehem over 2,000 years ago. The birth of Christ is synonymous with love, joy, giving, sharing, and family, suitable antidotes for much of the adversities we face in the world today. This Christmas, I wish to extend to every Fijian, on behalf of the First Lady Wiliame and our family, our warmest wishes and good tidings, with the hope that you and your respective families, with all the blessed, with love, joy, and hope for a bright future. I also hope that you will use this season as an opportunity to renew friendship and to share with the less fortunate in our communities. This year we were privileged to practice our civil duty during the general elections 2022. I thank and acknowledge every Fijian who turned up on polling day to cast their vote and make their voices heard. You are Fijian democracy personified, and for this you should be proud. I wish to congratulate Fiji's new Prime Minister, Honorable Sitiveni Lingamamanta, and the new government after the swearing in on Christmas Eve. I reiterate that it is my prayers and plea that we keep the interest of the country paramount to further our shared vision and mission to build a united Fiji for all Fijians. We are drawing nearer to the end of 2022, and with it, we reflect on the year that has passed. We are as a nation where we rebuild our economy after closures and restrictions of the COVID-19 pandemic. This was evident in the tourism industry with the renewing of its commitment and sustainability and resilience in the face of unforeseen adversity. Additionally, our presence in the sporting world continues to grow at an exceptional rate. 2022 blessed us with Fiji being included in the Queen's Baton Relay, which was built up to the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. Our very own Rua hosted the Otago Highlanders, the Super Rugby competition at the HFC Bank Stadium. As the patron of the Fiji Rugby Union and Fijian National Rugby League, I am proud of our men's sevens team for winning the Melrose for a third time in the history of the Sevens World Cup. We also hosted the Women's Rugby World Cup as it toured Fiji en route to New Zealand. At this juncture, I would like to also congratulate Fiji National Rugby League management and officials for celebrating its 30-year anniversary. This year, Fiji was privileged to host dignitaries that uphold and promote Fiji's interest internationally. Notably, the Australian Governor-General, His Excellency General David John Hurley and Madam Hurley state visit, which greatly strengthened the Wawale partnership between our two nations. Later in the year, Fiji hosted and chaired the 51st Pacific Islands Forum Leaders Meeting, which was attended by heads of state and governments of member countries. Earlier, Fiji had chaired the inaugural standing Pacific Islands Forum Women's Leaders Meeting, which was a milestone for the region and a demonstration of our commitment towards the empowerment of women leaders. This year was also an opportunity for Fiji to celebrate its culture and heritage with the launch of the newly renovated Fiji Museum, an equally important institution that teaches our children our history and being self-aware of the traditional and cultural knowledge. We are on the cusp of greatness as a nation without tourism, hospitality, and events, industry reverting to its renowned state in the wake of opening of international borders as our country returns to normalcy. Let us continue to hold the values that make us a proud nation, given all that we have achieved throughout the years. I also place on record my gratitude to the former Prime Minister, Honorable Tosaiya Vorenge Bainimarama, and the Fiji First Government for their service to our nation over the past 16 years. We have entered into a new season with a new government that now has the blessings of our people. I also take this time to send our best wishes to our men and women that are serving in the Middle East and abroad for their commitment to upholding global peace and security. To conclude, to all my fellow Fijians, may this Christmas bring you and your families love, joy, and a spirit of giving and sharing that shall awaken you in a renewal of your respective lives. It is my hope and prayer that the Almighty shall bless us all and keep us safe this Christmas season. Maivalili.